Around the globe, in the world's sea lanes, intercoastal waterways, and deep water ports, day and night, tankers transport petroleum that makes it possible for America to fuel up and go. These tankers, and the mariners who operate them, provide a vital connection to the energy we need. But precautions must be taken. The industry is ever vigilant, ensuring that transportation is safe and incident-free. Spills from tankers are at the lowest levels on record, with 99.99% of all oil delivered to the United States reaching destination without incident. It all starts with mariners, who are highly trained and skilled professionals. To even step foot on a tanker, they must receive special licensing and credentials and must comply with ever-expanding regulations. Today, mariners operate modern tankers that are built to expect the unexpected, with redundant technologies throughout the ship. 2 independent GPS systems working in tandem. 2 radar systems constantly scanning the surroundings. There's redundancy in all systems required to operate the ship safely. Below deck, tankers feature 2 identical engine rooms, each capable of driving the ship. The additional engine and propeller also means faster response and improved maneuverability. Modern tanker power systems are designed for direct command and control by a single officer, which enables immediate speed and course changes in the event of critical situations. By 2015, every tanker operating in U.S. waters will feature a double hull configuration. Cargo is contained completely within a watertight inner hull. If a breach occurs on the outer hull, the inner hull prevents cargo from escaping. With redundancy and sophisticated technology from stem to stern, and a highly trained captain and crew, transporting energy is indeed safer than ever.